Syrian actress Huda Sharawi found murdered. Ugandan domestic worker Ajok Vicky confesses. Well, this is when everything seems looking fine before the incident.
What do you like the most about Madame Huda?
Me advice, and she's also want me to teach Arabic, doing Arabic food. I used to cook Ugandan food. I'm from Uganda. Syria is beautiful, look cute.
دوقي, try this. Al Syria حلوة وكيوت. دوقي. Try it.
Mommy, you eat.
Okay.
It's nice.
Nice?
Yeah.
Eat, يلا, eat more.
Mommy, you eat. You eat.
Nothing, no, I
like it.
You like? You know what Madame Huda works?
She working in NTV.
Yes, very famous actress. You know Vicky?
نبدأ نشوف أوغندا ما أحلانا ويعودونا باب الحارة بأوغندا.
What's your name, Vicky?
Vicky, Thai is come. Yeah.
Cucumber.
Yeah.
Yes, cucumber خيار.
Kusha.
كوسة.
باذنجان.
It's nice.
Nice?
Yeah.
Eat, يلا, eat more.
Mommy, you eat. Thai is come.
Thai.
Thai is come.
Thai is come, right? You're very
الفنانة هدى الشعراوي.
Damascus, Syria. Prominent Syrian actress Huda Sharawi, 88, was laid to rest on Friday, January 30, 2026, in the Bab al-Shaghi cemetery in Damascus following funeral prayers. The beloved actress, famous for her role as Zaki and a career spanning over 80 years, was found brutally murdered in her home in the Bab Shire neighborhood of Damascus on Thursday, January 29th. Well, this is the moment she pleaded guilty.
Did you kill Mr. Huda?
I killed.
جريمة مروعة.
Here is when the funeral service was being conducted for the boss.
اطلع معي يا عمي ابو احمد. يلا اطلع معي.
The crime and investigation. According to official statements from the Syrian Interior Ministry Internal Security, Sharawi was found deceased on her bed with severe head trauma caused by a solid tool leading to fatal bleeding. Authorities swiftly identified a suspect, a domestic worker, Vicky Ajok, a Ugandan national. Surveillance footage captured her fleeing the area. After a month, she was arrested in the Bagungu district, northern Damascus, approximately 2 hours after the initial investigation began. Ajok is an Acholi. This is the very moment a fellow actor also reacted with sadness.
الكلمة الأخيرة برحيل
رحمة الله
وخاصة
اليوم
اليوم
برحمته
مع بعض يعني
الله يتغمد برحمته ويجعل روحه بالجنة بجاه حبيب محمد ويقاصص اللي كان السبب بجاه الحبيب لأنه ست محترمة بكلمات عن الكلمة في مجال الحبيب.
Confession and motive. During interrogation at the Ganawad police station, Ajok confessed to the murder. When questioned about her motive, she claimed that the kids tried to poison her. However, the lead investigator, Brigadier Omar Al-Mabub, expressed skepticism about the motive, stating the investigation continues to uncover the full circumstances. Official statements and reactions. The Syrian Interior Ministry confirmed the arrest and confession, stating investigations are ongoing to uncover all motives and details before referring the case to the judiciary. Internal Security Chief Osama Hatika confirmed the arrest and the nature of the crime. The Syrian accused union mourned Sharawi's passing, highlighting a pioneering role for women in Syrian hearts. Public and social media reaction. The news has sent shockwaves through the artistic community and the Arab world. On social media, the case has sparked intense debate. Many users have accepted the official narrative, citing the confession as the master of evidence. Others have raised doubts, calling the case bigger than the Maid, suggesting hidden elements and questioning how a maid could easily flee the country after murdering a celebrity. Some comments have taken on sectarian or xenophobic tones, with many now criticizing Africans, while others have urged peasants for a full investigation. An Al Jazeera clip showed actor Abdul Fattah al-Mazen breaking down in tears and leaving the broadcast while discussing Sharawi's death. You must remember that our fellow diaspora communities in Arabic countries have strongly denied and called upon Ugandans and Acholi to rise up strongly against this incident.
Ni kwa family pa Ajok ka chala wana ni kan gero mope. Ba kwa Ajok lega er ka dong ni gu mo mi duan mope waromo ko. Wamir justice pa Ajok. Justice for Vicky, Miss Syrian, wamir justice. Maka ibiro ko link kuma anyway. Big way o kana pilatian ano ne. Ata mo lega na ano ke kan. Yin latian lu mo ken me winyo lep ko ti lao ko ti alu ko ti ngo.
Some say she only accepted because she doesn't know English language well.
So ma eni lo achien ma pere tek wun jok pauti lo bugamente mi onen o konyi latien nyao en Ajok Vicky le mo ne garo dok la peny magi penye kere chamo keni ini nego endo tukiga mene yes eto ka ini neno ken magi penye kere bene video ne ka ini neno mo kene mabe inona Ajok Vicky ki bor kona bora me ye.
A legacy remembered. Huda Sharawi is remembered as a trailblazer discovered by artist Anwar Al-Beba. She was among the first women to work in Syrian radio. Her long career included iconic roles in popular dramas like Bab al-Hara and Al-Kabu, as well as theater and film. Her final appearance was in the 2025 Ramadan series Layali Roxy. The investigation continues as authorities work to finalize the case for trial. As things stand, from home, people are crying, Acholi are crying, Ugandans are demanding for answers. But what appears seems like it might be too late to save the situation. Ajok Vicky could be heading for a dangerous legal showdown. As we earlier interviewed Dr. Dodoth of youths going into sugarcane plantations and Arab world, there is a growing concern about modern slavery, and Dr. Dodoth had promised that he would tackle those kind of things if elected, but unfortunately things are also still not okay for Dodoth. As a reminder, this now marks the second most popularly known case of Acholi born to suffer criminal charges in the foreign land. The most recent one was the footballer from Kitgum, that is Onek Alfred. Until now, there is no update from the authorities of how far the cocaine or drug deal case has gone.